Have you ever started a big, exciting project only to let it fall by the wayside? You had all the passion in the world, and then life happened. Well, that's exactly where the people of Jerusalem found themselves about 2,500 years ago. After 70 long years in exile, they returned home with a mission to rebuild God's temple. They laid the foundation, and there was this huge celebration. But then opposition arose, discouragement set in, and for 16 years the temple site sat quiet, a half-finished dream. The people got busy with their own lives. They built nice houses for themselves, planted their fields, and tried to get back to normal. They'd say, "The time has not yet come to rebuild the Lord's house." It's easy to judge, but aren't we the same? We often prioritize our own comfort and our own projects over God's plans. This is when the prophet Haggai steps onto the scene. He comes with a direct and powerful message from God. He asks the people a piercing question. Is it a time for you yourselves to be living in your paneled houses while this house remains a ruin? He points out that all their hard work isn't paying off. They sow much but harvest little. They eat but are never full. They earn wages only to put them in a purse with holes in it. Ouch! Talk about relatable. Haggai's message was a wake-up call. He told them to consider your ways. He connected their struggles directly to their neglected priorities. God was essentially saying, "You've ignored my house, so I'm withholding my blessing from your houses." It wasn't a punishment out of anger, but a loving call to recenter their lives on what truly matters. And you know what's amazing? The people listened. The leaders and the remnant of the people obeyed the voice of the Lord. They started the work again, and just 1 month after Haggai's first message, the rebuilding was back in full swing. God then sends another message through Haggai, this time one of incredible encouragement. "I am with you." He promised that the glory of this new temple would be even greater than the original one built by Solomon. Haggai's story is short, but so powerful. It teaches us about priorities, obedience, and the amazing encouragement God gives when we put Him first. It challenges us to look at our own lives and ask, are there any half-finished temples we've abandoned? What is God calling us to rebuild today? It is a timeless reminder to consider our ways and get back to the work He has for us, knowing that He is always with us. Thanks for watching, and if this message resonated with you, be sure to subscribe for more.